Look at these goddamn birds eating all that apple. What the hell do you think you're doing? Eating my apples? That's right, you better get on out of here. Let's go, champ. He said, let's go, champ. Come on, champ. What you eat, I eat. And I just start fucking eating the apples, rotting apples from the fucking ground. I go where you go, champ. Let's go, champ. I'm sorry, retarded. Come on. I can't, whenever the camera's on, I can't help myself. I just fucking start acting like a fucking comedian. I'm a comedian. Well, there you go. The birds eating the damn the apples, or are they eating the bugs? What are we doing? What the hell are these motherfuckers doing? Hey, don't come any closer, please. I'll scream. No, that little bastard. What are you doing? Where are you going? Why are you? Now I'm alone again. Here again, alone. Well, guys, it's time for me to start eating the apples, because everywhere they go, I go, champ, and everything they eat, I eat, champ. Fucking, I'm relaxing today. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing a thing.